What's up guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at the Quadratec Hitch Starter Kit. Now this kit is available in two different configurations. One comes with a 1 7/8 inch hitch ball, while the other comes with a 2-inch hitch ball. So you want to be sure to double check which size hitch ball your trailer requires before you order. Now both kits include everything you need to get started towing with your Jeep, including the drop ball mount, hitch ball, lock washer, nut, hitch pin, and pin clip. Now the drop ball mount is designed to fit in a 2-inch receiver and features a 2-inch drop measured from the top of the receiver tube to the ball mounting surface. It uses a hitch ball with a 1-inch diameter shank and a 5/8 inch hitch pin to secure it in your receiver. Now the maximum gross trailer weight capacity is 5,000 pounds with a maximum tongue weight of 300 pounds, so you want to be sure to check your Jeep's manual so that you don't exceed either your vehicle or your hitch's towing capacity. Now to get more information or purchase a Quadratec Hitch Starter Kit for your Jeep, click on the info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you have any other comments or questions, you can leave them for us in the comment section below or hit us up at any of the options on the screen. Now be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like today's video, give us a thumbs up. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.